are going to love the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, fog lights, power locks, compass, power convenience group, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, security alarm, tachometer, SiriusXM Satellite Radio, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.